Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can change your name in Star Wars Galaxy of Heroes, so let's get right into it. Star Wars Galaxy of Heroes is a mobile game developed by EA, in which you create teams of heroes, or rather characters from Star Wars, which you then send into battle to complete missions and to earn you several rewards, such as XP, money, and so on and so forth. You can also, I think, battle with other players. I don't know how that's done since I'm a low level. However, I do think that might be something that you can do. What was I going to do this tutorial about? Yeah, I'm going to explain to you how you can change your name. As you can see in the top left of my name, of my screen, there is my character name, Phelan Lacer, or however you pronounce that. That is a randomly generated name. And let's say I want to change that because I thought of a better name, or just want my friends to recognize me easier, or for guilds to know me by a different name so that it's easier for them. What you want to do then in that case is go and click on your name, and as you can see, this screen will pop up where you can see both stats, arena, profile, etc, etc. Here you can also change your portraits if you have unlocked them. I currently only have the Rebel Clone Trooper portrait. But yeah, let's say you want to change your name. You just click on the pencil icon here. You enter in a new name, and once you're done, you just click confirm, and your name should be changed. And yeah, that's been about it. There is nothing more that I can say on this topic. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please hit the like button. And if you didn't, please write in the comments some feedback on why you didn't. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I will be seeing you next time. Goodbye.